Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bake acorn squash in the oven. First, select a firm, dark green acorn squash. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut it in half lengthwise. Then, with a spoon, scoop out all the seeds and stringy bits from the center of each half. This preparation ensures your squash is ready for delicious roasting. Now, let's get those squash halves ready for the oven. Drizzle about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the cut surfaces. Season them generously with salt, black pepper, and a little pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. Place the squash halves cut side down on a baking sheet. This helps them caramelize beautifully. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking sheet with the squash into the preheated oven. Roast for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when a fork or knife easily pierces the flesh. The edges might even look slightly caramelized, adding a wonderful sweetness. Once baked, carefully remove the squash from the oven. You can serve these warm halves as a delightful side dish, perhaps with a pat of butter, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a sprinkle of brown sugar in the cavity. For other great deals, and to grab your own little tree's black ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade acorn squash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.